Fishcurry Stories with Nilesh Malkar. Fishcurry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
Yes, and Fishcurry Stories, and here I am traveling from the coastal belt of the Konkan area, from Kadkavli to Sawantwadi to Goa to everywhere. So right now where we are heading is Sawantwadi. So let's see what's kept in store for us in Sawantwadi. Hi. So I'm back again with my one more episode of Fishcurry Stories on the coastal belt. This time I'm traveling towards Sawantwadi, and you know what I bumped into? I bumped into this Mauli restaurant, and they are very peculiar in making this Malwani cuisine with this coconut marinade and other raw spices that are available on this area. So they've got a very unique way of making their own spices, which we are going to later go inside and watch in the kitchen how they are going to prepare those curries. But here today in this episode I'm going to actually explore the chicken curry or maybe the Sukkha chicken. So before going into the kitchen inside and exploring their unique cuisine, their unique secret spices and how they make their gravies and the curries, we'll first speak with the owner of this restaurant. आपलं नाव काय बोललात?
सागर नाईक.
हिज नेम इज मिस्टर सागर नाईक. तर तुम्ही हे जे रेस्टॉरंट आहे किंवा जे आपल्या मालवणी पद्धतीतलं जे जेवण आहे हे गेल्या किती वर्षापासून म्हणजे हे चालवतात?
एक 5 वर्ष झाली आहे.
ओके.
आणि उत्तम प्रकारे आपल्याला हे आहे लोकांचं वगैरे स्थानिक लोकांचं आहे, जाणाऱ्या येणाऱ्या लोकांचं आहे.
ओके.
आणि इथून जवळजवळ चांगले स्पॉट्स आहेत. चांगले स्पॉट्स आहेत ते बघण्यासाठी लोक येतात. ते सरळ आमच्या श्री माऊली हॉटेल थांबतात आणि आमची चांगल्यापैकी टेस्ट वगैरे चांगली आहे. लोकांचा प्रतिसाद पण चांगला आहे.
बरं बरं बरं. सो one more thing I found out that even his menu card, the prices and everything are very affordable. बरं. So I wanted to ask you one more thing. मला तुम्हाला हे विचारायचं होतं की तुम्ही स्पेसिफिकली सगळं बनवून ठेवता की आयत्या वेळी बनवून देता?
आम्ही तेव्हाच बनवतो सगळं. ऑन द स्पॉट बनवतो आम्ही. काही ग्रेव्ही वगैरे ठेवत नाही. बाकीचं आम्ही त्याच टाइमला म्हणजे ऑन द स्पॉट बनवतो.
ओके. सो the main another important thing is that none of the items are made and cooked and kept aside so people can just walk in and eat. They make it fresh, so the spices, the marinades, everything are ready. The only thing is they have to chop the chicken and put it on the pan and they'll make a fresh. I think so it's better we go inside and take a check at the kitchen. चल आपण आज जाऊया. So what he is making today is basically a Sukkha chicken that we call it's a dry chicken. It's made in a proper coconut marinade. So let's see how he's going to try to do it. So first he's marinating onion and tomatoes on the pan. This is the authentic style of Sawantwadi where we have come to this specific very ethnic place where we are watching this. And now he's marinating the chicken with turmeric, red chilies, spices, look at him roast fry it. He's trying to stir fry it. As the chicken is getting nicely roasted in it, I'm trying to put a little bit of my own hands. As you all know that I myself, I'm a very good cook. A little water so the chicken starts simmering in it. Okay, yeah. Now let him complete the process. हे तुम्ही किती 3 माणसांसाठी बनवताय ना? Is adding some more water, so the chicken actually simmers in a very low fire. As the chicken is starting to change its color, you can see. And maybe in another 5-10 minutes, a freshly cooked dry chicken, what we call is a Sukkha chicken, on the Konkan, the coastal belt. So I'm trying to experiment and trying to explore the various kinds of curries that are being made, basically on the fish, and adjacent to it also the chicken curries. So we are on the coastal belt of Sawantwadi, where we are visiting this specific place where they make this in the whole greenery which you can see around. It's a rainy season right now, and it's going to be a very good feast. So let's see the further steps as the chicken keeps on simmering slowly. Okay, so just see this. This is the actual marinade. It's about coconut, turmeric, onion, garlic, ginger, and any other spices in it. Lavang, miri, everything in that. So he has got all other hard spices like clove, then pepper and ginger, garlic, coconut and roasted onion. So this marinade will completely be now added into the chicken, and again he will try to simmer it so the chicken soaks in all the flavors of various spices from the marinade that he has made. So let's see now as he goes ahead. आता हे केव्हा टाकणार तुम्ही? The chicken is still getting cooked. By the time the chicken gets cooked and the water starts reducing, you can see the chicken has started getting cooked. The flesh has started. If you can see, yeah, you need another little more of boil, and after that, the chicken will be properly cooked. Look at it as it gets simmered in those raw spices which he had actually added to it with onion and tomato, as it is getting fried and getting cooked in it. Even the chicken is also losing its own water, so it's taking, now he has kept it on a high flame. So let's watch it step by step. That is the fun actually in watching. Now comes the marinade. And look how the chicken is getting simmered in that coconut, raw onions, cloves, pepper, cinnamon and all other hard spices which have been grinded and made into a paste. And now look at the color that it started to come. A little bit of coriander to the taste, salt as required. Look at him make it so perfectly. He's adding some more of red spice, of the red chilies actually, to add it a color. And the chicken is done. So the main course today is going to be rice, chicken gravy and this dry chicken that is cooked. Now this process is now going to make a simple chicken gravy that is going to be a little watery kind of thing, so which you can take on the rice, and that will be just purely made with the raw spices, red chili powder, some coriander powder, and as he stir fries it, the same marinade is used. You can see the same marinade that has been used, and he will just try to again simmer the whole paste and add some water. जास्ती पातळ नका बनवू, थोडी जाडसर ठेवा. Yeah, as I'm telling him to actually keep the gravy a little thick, you know, I prefer a thick gravy. This is only a pure gravy that he is making, because if you can see, this is the dry chicken that is going to make, and this will be the gravy which will be given separately again, so I can, you know, mix it with my rice. Look, as the gravy gets simmered and is slowly it will try to thicken, you know, because I like a little thick gravy, not a watery kind. See, as the water will evaporate, the coconut paste will have its own thick base that will be, you know, remaining in this. See, you can check this. Yeah. So now just wait for another 5-10 minutes, 5 minutes maximum. He is thickening. Yeah, he's checking for the salt. And again a coriander, a little more of coriander. I love coriander because that gives an immense flavor, you know, to the gravy or any kind of food that which you are making in a non-veg. The last throw of that coriander leaves, will leave its own flavor, you know, simmering in it. Look at the gravy thickening slowly. It's thickening, yeah. So let's enjoy the plates. Now I think everything is ready nearly. So he is now going to plate it, and come on, let's go out and have a food. Come. So the prepared Sukkha chicken thali, that is the dry chicken and the chicken gravy and rice that has come to me. I am really going to first taste the Sukkha chicken or the dry chicken that he has made. Absolutely nice. The whole formula of that coconut and onion paste that he has made has driven the taste of this dry chicken to a next level. Now I'm going to taste the gravy that he has made. Wow. This is an excellent chicken gravy without chicken pieces in it, only in the coconut and the onion marinade paste that he had made, and without even a chicken broth. There is no chicken broth in that gravy. So still the gravy and its aroma, it tastes fantastic. So till then, we meet for the next episode. Let me feast on this. Bye bye, see you.